Ever wonder why some people's wallets sound like a toolbox when they hit the table? That's the American Express Platinum Card. And yes, it is actual stainless steel. It weighs roughly 17 grams, which is over 3 times heavier than a standard plastic card. But here's the funny part. The latest version is basically a financial mullet. Metal in the front for the status and plastic in the back so the contactless signal can actually pass through. Apparently, solid metal is great for looking rich, but terrible at talking to card readers. If you are still carrying the flimsy plastic version, just log into your account, head to Account Management, and select Order a Replacement Card. It usually arrives in about 5 business days. Now, a quick reality check. Don't sign up just to hear that satisfying clink on the counter. Make sure those travel perks actually justify the massive annual fee first, or you're just paying hundreds of dollars for a very shiny paperweight. If this helped you weigh your options, leave a like before your arm gets tired from carrying all that steel. Comment the word metal below so I know you've officially joined the Heavy Wallet Club.